do you think RV parks, they're new and it's kind of a new territory. Do you think it's a good play for somebody who's brand new to go out and try to find a smaller RV park, maybe like 30 pads or less or something like that? Do you think it's a good asset class to get started in? And why?
And I'm not saying this to discourage anyone. I
Yeah.
would say join an existing team that have operated businesses before.
Mm-hmm.
If you have run a business where you have had up to 20 employees yourself and you have been, you know, the ins and outs of, and you're entrepreneurial, go after RV parks yourself, build a team. If you haven't run a business and been a manager and entrepreneur before, join another team and learn from them. An RV park is not a real estate thing. It is a business you're buying, and the marketing, the sales, everything else is a business, a service, a product. It's not an asset you just buy and hold.
No, that's a great point. And it seems to be a trend. I mean, not a trend, but like a good trend that people now, you hear about Cody Sanchez and Pace Morby and all these people, they're talking about boutique hotels. They're talking about RV parks. They're talking about storage. And a lot of these things, like you said, they're kind of much further on the side of commercial real estate that is more like a business than just a pure real estate investment. Now, can you get a much larger return, higher cash flow and all that stuff? Yes. But it's similar to like Airbnb where it's almost like another job. You're going to get a lot of cash flow from it, but there's so much, it's so heavy on the operations that, you know, it's challenging. So if you're into more of the passive stuff, invest in more traditional commercial real estate. Maybe if you have a business sense, like Andre says, and you've run a business before and you're entrepreneurial, then this could be a great avenue for you to go out and buy RV parks, or maybe it's a boutique hotel and you're willing to put in more time and more effort and more management for that higher return and higher risk.
1,000%. In the end of the day, a business is a leadership, business, marketing, sales. It's not what studs are in the wall or finding the studs or painting something. Like it's not putting makeup on the pig like it is in traditional real estate.